Estimation of residential premises using a differential terrain model. Real estate attributes in the apartment valuation process. General location, type of housing estate. Detailed location, multi-story building in a housing estate. Location of the premises in a multi-story building. Type of building, type of premises, manufacturing technology, installations, age of the building, date and scope of renovation and preventive work carried out, technical condition of the premises, technical condition of the building, standard of finishing, plot development. The table presents contemporary dilemmas in choosing real estate valuation methods. Research materials and methods. The valuation of residential real estate is still the subject of polemics among the players who seek the correctness of using various research techniques. One of them is undoubtedly the use of the height component in the valuation, treating the apartment as a multidimensional object somehow suspended in space. Therefore, in the study, based on available data from real estate agencies, an attempt was made to present a different direction in the analysis of residential premises using interpolation methods that perform the so-called spatial regulation, i.e., smoothing of the valued parameter. Research materials and methods. The differential conversion method used to analyze the seaside market, better known as rubber sheeting, is shown here as a method that allows for geometric distortion of spatial data. It is also used in situations where there are data gaps, i.e., when significant imperfections in geodetic data have been noticed, including lack of information about real estate attributes. The surface itself is stretched in such a way that the variables can be moved piece by piece while maintaining simple vectorization. Research materials and methods. Data from Gdynia real estate market was used as research material for spatial analysis with the data implemented into a 1 km by 1 km grid. Additionally, to illustrate the spatial diversity of residential premises, a differential terrain model was used, which was combined with the spatial illustration of geodetic plots within the real estate price monitoring area. Analysis of the value of premises using a differential terrain model. Signature map of real estate transactions. Interpolation map of real estate market phenomena. Conclusions. To sum up, it should be stated that spatial statistics methods with the implementation of a differential terrain model allow to take into account and model both spatial heterogeneity and spatial autocorrelation. This is evidenced by the use of interpolation methods, which are rarely used in real estate valuation. Although there is a very simple way to present the value of land, for example, in the case of residential premises, taking into account the height component becomes problematic. Obtaining average estimated with minimal variance by e.g. Kriging methods means that geostatistical methods are often used to create e.g. land value maps where there is very little data and there is a need to obtain reliable prognostic results. Conclusions. During the research, it was found that the valuation of real estate as an important element of the economy must be made using a wide range of information regarding real estate. This information should include features that can be represented using a variety of models, including the 3D models that are popular today. An example of the above is the use of GIS models in building inventories to show their openness in estimating multi-unit building properties. Conclusions. The use of this GIS tool is a complement to the activities of each appraiser because indexing visibility can increase the share of the final valuation, thus increasing the credibility within a given appraiser unit. The simulation with a layered kernel showed indicates that the appraiser who will not use GIS tools and will not read tourist attractions can be very wrong, which will result in the outflow of the film or even lowering the curve. And this will not cause customer dissatisfaction or will not affect court sanctions. The research conducted as part of this research should cover the topic of further distant topics, taking into account the research of appraisers who claim that this mainly concerns expert estimation elements. Can benefit from consistency in investment estimates changes with websites that trust valuations and appraisers in the context of generating a method or estimating profit from a competitive film. Thank you for your attention.